Hey there, welcome. We're back to the New York session. Well, actually, we're still ahead of time, ahead of news. So I'm glad we did not trade it more in the London session because look at this. Eventually, the 72 level 872 has been taken, but this was, this was bad. This was very bad. So I'm glad it's over. Anyway, let's see what's happening. Pretty much sideways movement. News in about 13 minutes. Not much to do. Don't forget, guys, we have a new giveaway from this session. For the next week, you can start to register if you'd like to collect some points. It's in the link. I just posted it. So, new giveaway. We had a winner from last week. We did the live pick on the stream. So, make sure if you want to win a 50K evaluation account, then just sign up. All right. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. Let's look at what he is doing. Not much, I suggest. Yeah. Pretty much nothing. I'm looking at the 5-minute right now on ES. We have lows from yesterday PM session, New York. And on the Nasdaq, if we go back, look at the 5-minute, we do have relative equal highs still up at 931. I think it's a pretty good place for sweeping some liquidity. Maybe the news are going to take it out. We don't know. I don't expect that much movement from this news. So, not much to happen. But we'll see. And we're going to continue to scalp. On the evaluation accounts. Maybe we'll do some funded account trading too after the market open. All right. But if you look at the 5-minute, it's pretty much not doing anything. Nothing is happening. Absolutely nothing. I guess I might going to have a scalping session again. Who knows? I like to scalp. No, I don't like. That's a lie. I'm not a good scalper. That's why I want to practice. Hey Mario, good morning. Greg, hey there. Tomorrow is FOMC, exactly. So today and tomorrow is going to be, well, price action may not act as it should be on normal days, but we'll see. Yeah, I think so too. If we zoom out to the 1-hour chart, you can pretty much see that. Let's zoom out a little bit more. This is the 1-hour chart and pretty much sideways movement that we can expect. And even if we go to the 4-hour, let me put this away. This is the 4-hour. Actually, hold on. So this is the 4-hour. if we zoom out, it's pretty much an accumulation phase. If we zoom out to the daily, well, we do have new day opening gap and such, up as well and down as well. But if we look at the daily, we're pretty much in an area where we don't know if it will continue to go up from here or continues the drop all the way down. Pretty much a decision point right now. I can imagine that we will go sideways. Otherwise, nothing special. Don't forget, guys, today is the last day for this awesome sale that's going on with MyFundedFutures. Go check it out. Who knows when it's going to be a next time for grabbing these kind of discounts for $50 and $50 activation fee on an account is awesome. Also, 150k account for $50 is still awesome. So also last day to get the Apex accounts as well, and the BULENOX sale ends today as well. So pretty much time to stack up. All right. Let's see what's happening. Da, 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 da. Just waiting for the news, guys. I wish I could say we can expect something more, but no. Hey, Prasad, good to see you. How was your day or morning? Excellent. Nice, nice. Good to hear that. Can be better. Come on, there you go. There you go. It's all right. It's cool. I was a little bit happy that I did not trade onwards in this London session, because it was pretty much a chopped up session, and we'll see if we get some movement after the news or the market open. Let's not forget that we're gonna have news at 10 a.m. as well. So I would imagine that we could not be seeing a clear price action until then. So the first possible movement, the first possible real movements might be just kicking in around, well, after 10 a.m., maybe 10:15 or 10:20. Might be safer to wait until then. So that's almost 2 more hours. We don't know how the market is going to open. So all right. Don't forget, guys, we have a new giveaway, just saying. It's in the pinned message. It's a brand new one. I just started it. So if you want to participate in this giveaway, fill out the form, earn some points. Maybe you will win next time. We're trying to do this every week if we can. We had the winner in the London session. All right. Bum, 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 bum. We're gonna do the live pick on next Wednesday, maybe. And you can also earn points by completing some tasks, clicking on some websites. And that's how simple it is. Bum, 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 bum. For MyFundedFutures, the news restriction is 5 minutes before and after the news release. It's 2 minutes before the news and 2 minutes after. And so that's overall 4 minutes, a 4-minute window, but only on the specific news. Let me show you. MyFundedFutures, news trading policy. So only tier 1 news. So prohibited news trading, standard trading protocols. All right, so ensure utmost caution by adhering to the following during tier 1 data release. No positions or orders, including limit orders, can be opened 2 minutes before. So don't forget also limit orders. So no limits, no limit orders can be opened 2 minutes before and after release. So that is 4 minutes. Tier 1 news, FOMC meetings, FOMC minutes, employment report like non-farm payroll, and CPI. So the rest of the news, like we have today, we have, for example, employment cost index. I don't know. Oh, wow, look at that. We just had the news. I totally forgot. All right, down to 816. Nothing special. It should be taking out the 91, right? Not that we wanted to trade this or anything. You're welcome. So basically CPI, FOMC, and NFP. For example, this news right here, and don't worry guys, we're not going to engage in this one. This news is, well, I don't know. It's not on the list technically, so employment cost index. Maybe it would be better to ask about the admins or mods if it's tradable or not. What a drop. Down from 880, 90 points. Now, after this, the high of this candle could be interesting. Let's see. Nothing to trade here, guys. For this news event, it's non-tradable. And I highly doubt that we're gonna have anything special until the market open. Especially not after now that the lows have been taken. Now, this is typically the kind of candles and movement where, you know, you just don't know where it will go next. It can go all the way down to 672. On the 1 hour, it's pretty much look like it can go down to below the 700s. On the 15-minute, we do have an order block at 600. So very good targets here. I do like this gap. Just saying, this area is pretty interesting. I do like that area. But it's still down there. Also an order block to the left. And this is just a 15-minute, so on the 1 hour it also looks beautiful. Wouldn't be surprised if this would continue to drop. So guys, don't forget it. We have a new giveaway. The winner has been picked today. So the link in the pin message is a brand new one. Make sure to enter for the new giveaway. If you would like to win a 50K evaluation account. We're going to pick the winner next week that you can start to earn points. Ba-ba-dum, ba-ba-ba-bum. Ba-ba-ba-ba-bum, ba-ba-ba-ba-bum. Well, nothing is moving so far. I'm checking the other time frames on my other screen, but nothing so far. So that's it. I think the market wants to wait for, for market open. But so far nothing is happening. We're just waiting, guys. It seems like we're shifting up here on this gap. So this one could be a possible long entry if you guys would prefer. I'm not sure I want to take it at this point. ES didn't make a new low, so we can expect it to make a new low, but we'll see. All right. Pretty much nothing is moving. Yeah, I thought that this one gonna go down again. It should be, it could, as long as ES is not making new lows at 51.18, I think we can see the Nasdaq going down a little bit more, make a new low. most likely. Would be super easy for it to do. But since we don't have any entry, we're just gonna wait. I mean, entering here, it's useless because nothing is aligning. The only thing, as I said, this long in this gap. So that would take us at least 60 points up there. Well, if not 60, then yeah, at least then 50 to close this gap after the news. Okay. Let's just wait. Hello, no again. Yeah. For you as president. No. What makes you say that? I wouldn't do that. Ever. Definitely. US president. I read me too. Me too. Dark Cloud. Hey there, guys. I'd rather trade too. Guys, don't forget it. We have a new giveaway. We had a winner picked out in the London session. So if you would like to participate in the next one, the link is up there in the pinned message. Another 50K evaluation. So don't forget it. Also, today, the last day for most of these great sales. Who knows what comes next for next month, but last day to get the $50 discount for all the starters. The Apex lifetime 80% discount and the BULENOX 90% sale ending today. All right, let's see. It would be nice this could work his way back. Yeah, that would be great. I mean, technically, this could be a long entry, but the thing is that ES didn't make a new low. So we could expect it to go down to 18. Also, we created relative equal highs. There's an order block up there. Yeah, it can go back up. I guess we have to wait. What else is going on? Guys, this is, as you see, Nasdaq is stopped. Absolutely, there's a stop here. I guess we're only gonna see some more action after 10 a.m. So oh man, Nasdaq is officially dead. That's what happened. Tom, do you know what is needed to take a payout at BULENOX? Do you need to get above 26? And is your drawdown once you do? It's sleeping. Yeah, Nasdaq turned off. So yeah, Peter, you need to leave 2,600. You need to reach the $2,600 as a safety cushion, and the minimum withdrawal amount is $1,000 at BULENOX, but you still need to leave $2,600 on the account when you withdraw. So that makes it, you have to reach $3,600 to take your first payout. And actually, I didn't take a payout yet myself. I am funded though, but my goal is to reach $3,600. You can also get the safety cushion. I'm not sure. I have to check the small details there, the fine print, but then you may have to close the account, the funded account. There is something about this at the master account rules, which means, let me go ahead and put this here. Withdrawal rules. So on the master account, the traders pay the first 10,000 withdrawal. Okay, the commission, blah blah blah. Payout good. All payouts processed. Okay. Request payout trader. Okay, the minimum withdrawal is the first 3 payments is $1,000. The maximum withdrawal depends on the account size. So after the third payout, okay, so the maximum withdrawal is $1,550K and $1,000 and a 25K. After third payout, there is no maximum withdrawal limit. The threshold. Withdrawal safety threshold reserve is defined as the minimum amount required to remain. So the minimum amount required to remain in the trader's account, which means it has to stay on your account. And if so, the minimum withdrawal amount is $1,000, then you have to go to $3,600. That's how you can do it. And actually, that's my goal too. I'm only at $300 right now on my BULENOX master account, but hopefully we will get there. So you just have to keep on building your account until you reach $3,600. What's the drawdown once you hit? The drawdown locks in at $2,600. So it locks in at 50K plus 100. So 50,000 and 100. It locks in. So it's not trailing. So you can go all the way down to 50,000 and 100. That's the thing. It locks in. It becomes a static account. Yeah, no problem, Peter. I don't have any issue with building up the account to 3,600. I mean, that's an absolutely realistic goal. Take it slowly, build it up. I think it's something you can do. You don't have to pay a monthly fee after that, so no pressure. If I can add around $500 per week, I would be satisfied. So that would mean that I could be able to withdraw after the second month, or in the second month of the funded account. And if you do everything by the rules, you know, you can make a pretty good income from one account, not to mention if you manage more accounts. By the way, at BULENOX you can have up to 10 or 11 master accounts. So at Apex you can have 20, at BULENOX you can have 10, I think. The dog is barking, so that means long positions are in favor. This was a long entry here. Oh yeah, it barks. I passed the 50K and 100K, haven't activated the 100K, yeah. Yeah, so the 100K, just make sure you activate it before your next monthly payment, right? Because if you bought it with a discount, make sure to check when the next bill, all right? Because some people here in the chat also said that they were not aware of that the discount was good for only the first month, and they were charged with the full price by the second month. Just make sure to have that activated. All right. Let's just wait. Sorry guys, I was just reading some news. It's going, yeah. Oh. Yeah, I knew. Yeah. Igen, tudom. TradingView-ban nem lehet scalpolni. So my fellow Hungarian trader says that it's hard to scalp on TradingView in the 1 minute chart. And yeah, I know, because the platform is bad. You should use TraderWeight. Go with TraderWeight. Use it. Use TraderWeight instead. You're gonna do much better. Igen, pontosan. Ezért nem scalpolok én TradingView-ba soha. Soha többé nem fogok scalpolni TradingView-ba. Soha. So I just say never I'm going to do scalping on TradingView. Never. If you want to use TraderWeight, I mean, then use the TraderWeight platform at least, but not TradingView for scalping. TradingView is lagging. Prints all over the place. It's not good. All right. Yes. Might be starting to go down again. Try to make that 51.18. Let's see if it wants to make it or not. We have the market open in 30 minutes, so I would say be careful at these levels. Game over. Black Beauty Machine, welcome. Why is it game over? Persze, hogy megégettem magam. Soha többé nem fogok használni TradingView-t. Soha. Funded számlára meg végképp nem. Biztos nem. Soha nem fogok TradingView-val scalpolni. Soha. TradingView az egy nagy fos. Csak mondom. Egyik legszarabb scalpolásra. Én mondtam. Én mindig mondom streambe. Akárki megkérdezi, mindig mondom, hogy az egyik legszarabb platform kereskedésre. A TradingView. Mindenki odáig van, hogy jaj, TradingView milyen szuper. Egy nagy szar. A legszarabb kereskedésre. És ezt magyarul nyugodtan merem mondani. A legfosabb platform kereskedésre. Mindenki odáig van ettől a weboldaltól. Nagyon jó csártolásra, nagyon jó csártokra, de kereskedésre a lehető legszarabb. És mindenki meg van bolondulva, mert ICT ezt használja. A TradingView-t. Ugyan már? Egy nagy fos. Egy hulladék az egész. Alright, sorry. Little bit Hungarian. I was saying some nice things about TradingView, that how good of a platform it is for trading. I'm being sarcastic right now, guys, so. All right. So, just saying, we do have a new giveaway. Check it out until we're waiting. And today is the last day for these discounts, so don't forget it. Last day. Guys, I think this is gonna go sideways until the market open. Nem lehet összekötni. Nem lehet. Én is véletlenül vettem a MyFundedFutures-nél egy trade-weightet, azt most szitkozódok is magamba, hogy nem kattintottam rá. Nem lehet összekötni. Ha egyszer trade-away-ten vagy, akkor ott vagy. Kész, csak ott nem lehet összekötni semmivel se a trade-away-et. Amúgy jó lenne maga a kereskedésre, de nem lehet összekötni. Semmivel. Semmilyen más. Semmivel. Úgyhogy ezért én csak ritmiket meg használok, tehát magyarul Quant Hour meg Ninja Trader. Alright. Just a little bit of a discussion about Ninja Trader. I also have this trade-away account. Where is it? Here from MyFundedFutures. I'm not really pushing it, although I should. I'm almost at, well, I was higher. I was at 51,800 something. I'm down to 51,600, almost 700. I should be pushing this one, but I'm not really motivated because I don't like to trade on TradingView or TradeAway. I mean, TradeAway is good, not that bad actually, but I can't copy trade this account, so I almost keep forgetting that this account still exists. I don't have any active positions. Texas SRT. Texas RT10, sorry. Sorry, I mispronounced your name. No active positions. Actually, let me check the orders. Do I have any orders? No, I'm flat. I'm flat right now. I exited around break even in the London session. And you know, just waiting for the market open. It's pretty much a almost, I don't want to say anything nasty, but it's a disgusting session that was since London. Look at this. It's absolutely untradeable. News just throw us down there, or thrown us down there. I'm waiting for ES to make it to 51.18, but you know, pretty much nothing to decide yet. Whatever you do right now, it's a gamble at this point, especially before the market open. That's what I think. So bum, ba-dum, ba-bum, bum, bum, bum. Gold is moving, respectable. Oh yeah, gold is, sorry, this one is gold on Forex. Yeah, gold is slipping lower. On the 4 hour is going. Not really trading gold, so hold on just a second. Quick phone call. All right, I'm here. Chop chop, yeah, exactly. Got out of longs right on time. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good. I don't even know what to make of this. And we still have news at 10 a.m. So don't forget that even if we have the market open, don't be so sure about the final direction until we don't have the 10 a.m. news. Most is 30 másodpercesen vagyok. Szuper, szuper. Az jó. Az jó. Igen, mostanában skalpolok ezen a számlán, amit ide kiraktam, meg kéne már a Fundeden is kereskedni. Kis paste csinálni. Alright. Is the giveaway link working? Yeah, it's working. Alright. Pam. Hát a Ninjában semmi gond. A Ninjának a 30 másodpercesével. A TradingView-t persze nem lehet használni, mármint hogy előfizethetsz, ott igen, értem, most leesett, oké. Okay. A TradingView-ra semmi értelme a 30 másod, már az 1 perces is egy nagy szar. Úgyhogy... Igen. Ja. Nem éri meg, már így van pontosan, nem éri meg akkor előfizetésre váltani. Alright, what is happening? Pontosan, exactly, pontosan. Így van, akkor jó. Vagy ha limit ordereket használsz swing pozíciókra, akkor is jó. Alright, guys, I know it's boring, but there's nothing to do really with this chart. I wish there would be some movement to do some great trades. I might go into set up my copy trading here. Slowly grinding. Trading view for visual indicator or larger time frames. Yeah, trading view is a great website and a great tool for charting. I think it's the best, but you know, or larger time frames for trading. Nincs. Apex-en azt csinálsz, evaluation-en, amit akarsz. So Joseph is just asking, is there a consistency rule on Apex evaluation? But there is no consistency on the evaluation. You can do whatever you want. There's only consistency on the PA accounts, yeah. In the long, on gold. Well, good luck, good luck. Actually, it dropped a lot, so you might have a chance on that. By the way, guys, I'm saying we have a brand new giveaway from this New York session for the next week. The previous week giveaway winner has been picked in the London session, so we have a winner. And for the next giveaway, there is a pinned message up there in the chat with the link. Also, the bot is spamming you guys with the link as well. If you guys want to participate in the next giveaway, we're gonna do the pick also live next week on stream, and we are going to announce the winner, and we're gonna do it the pick live. So make sure you don't miss it if you want to participate. You can earn some points by completing some tasks. It's a very good application, and every week giveaway, guys. Every week the new giveaway is here. All right. Good morning, Winley. Feels like US market is going to be wild open. Do you think so? Well, maybe. Aha, ugyanígy jártam. Van ez a videó, amit több mint 10 000-en megnéztek. Ugyanígy jártam. Véletlenül minit nyomtam a mikró helyett. És így lőttem el 4 számlámat, mert össze voltak kötve. Igaz, hogy csak evaluation-ok voltak, de 4-et ellőttem evaluation-ből így. Mert 4 vagy 5 mikrót akartam, és minit nyomtam. És lemásolta a szoftver, és egyből ellenem ment. Úgyhogy az egyik már majdnem célban volt, sőt 2 majdnem célban volt. Na mindegy, van egy videó róla. Eléggé felkapták. There is a channel at 1 minute. Let's check the 1 minute. Oh yeah, look at this. You know, I'm still hoping that the ES will drop down to 51.18. A Quantower-t használom. I'm using Quantower. És annak van beépített trade copier. Quantower is actually very good for trade copying because it has a built-in system. You have to pay for it. It's $25 a month, and you can connect multiple prop firms. Yeah, it's built in. Igen, beépített. Nem kell semmi külső program, teljesen be van építve, csak elő kell fizetni $25, és annyi prop firmhez csatlakozol, amennyihez akarsz, és copy trade-eli. So, I like Quantower because the copy trading function is implemented. It's very simple. It works. So, of course, you have to pay for it, but it's fine. I mean, the multiple connection, but it's fine. Just register at Quantower and that's it. And you have to pay for it, but it's fine. It's working perfectly. It does the job. While at NinjaTrader, you have to buy a separate add-on, Replicanto, which is also good, but it's a little bit more expensive, especially in advance, and especially it's more complicated if you want to trade multiple prop firms, extra license, stuff like that. So Quantower makes it simple. Quant Tower is making it very simple. Oh, guys, just waiting. I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab a drink. Don't go anywhere. Push the like. I'll be back in a minute or two. My chart watermark is different. Does this make... Oh yeah, because it's Quant Tower. I guess you see this, right? No difference at all. Absolutely the same. Because you might be watching TradingView. And this is Quant Tower, the previous one. This is Quant Tower. No difference at all. So. Same price. Although, as I said, TradingView lags a little bit. It's lagging. It's lagging behind a few milliseconds. You're also from Quant Tower. Interesting. Her chart. I don't know. Micro Nasdaq M4 CME. I mean, this is a Apex feed. MNQ. Maybe you're using this one, only this. Actually, I can use that too. There you go. You might be seeing this. MNQ and M4 Micro E-mini. Because I see the... Anyway, it's the same, basically. It's absolutely the same. Yeah. Was news trading allowed? News trading on the funded accounts is not allowed, but only on major news events. So somebody was already asking this. So MyFundedFutures No positions and orders, including limit orders, can be opened 2 minutes before and after the release, but only on tier 1 news, so such as FOMC meeting or meeting minutes, employment report, most likely non-farm payroll, and CPI. It's not going into specific detail about other news like we had today, the employment cost index. I don't know. So I have to ask the mods about that. But, you know, it's a 2-minute window. No problem. Oh, yeah. You're MyFundedFutures. What about the evals? You can do whatever you want. You can do whatever you want on the evals. You can go all in on the news. I asked it specifically many times, not just once, on Discord, direct message. So you can do whatever you want on your evaluation accounts. No restrictions, nothing on the starter, nothing on the expert account. You can go on the news full port if you want to. So there's a 4-minute window you have to be aware of, most likely at NFP, FOMC, and CPI. That's it. There's a 4-minute window. And no limit orders as well. Apex has a similar policy, by the way. No problem, Frankie, no problem. Apex has a similar policy, but they are just saying something like, you can trade the news, but if you request a payout, they will investigate that how are you trading. And for example, if you're trading micros during the day or during the week, and at news you go in with 10 minis or whatever and you break the bank, then they might be asking for some proof of what kind of system you use, or they can deny the payout. It's on their website as well. But anyway. Still 4 minutes. And still waiting. Okay, still waiting, still waiting. Don't worry, guys, I'm not going to torture you with the opening bell. Not today. Do you experience latency the whole New York session? My charts does not work during New York session in Quant Tower. I did experience latency a few times. I also wrote to Quant Tower, and sometimes the issue came out on the MyFundedFutures account. Sometime it happened at Apex, and both of them said I should check with Quant Tower, but Quant Tower said I should check with Rhythmic because the error was from Rhythmic. So anyways, long story short, they said the issues are coming from Rhythmic. Anyway, you can't do anything. Sometimes I do experience it. Not always, but that's why you gotta make sure you have the stop losses in order. And I don't take trades just a few minutes before or after. Even on the evaluation accounts, it's very rare. I mean, yes, I do, but for those accounts that I want to YOLO. Otherwise, I'm just waiting. All right. Less than 1 minute to go. All right, let's see this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Market open. Open for business. If ES starts to dump, then NQ will follow. But again, don't forget we have another news event at 10 a.m. so gotta be aware of that. It goes higher now. Come on. Let's see what it does. Technically, we have relative equal lows at 91. Question is it want to go down? I think it's going to go sideways. Nothing really happened at this first minute. All right, still not doing anything. The dog is barking, so that means bullish moves. No. Just going sideways. Nothing is moving, guys. What other news we have today? Nothing, only the consumer confidence. Okay, it's moving a little bit up. Not too much. Így van, pontosan. Pontosan. Így, ahogy mondod. De attól még jó. Alright, this one started to move up. Maybe it wants to go for that news candle high. Or not. Well, it's hard to say what it wants to do now. Maybe it wants to reprice higher. We don't know that. Or maybe it wants to go down to take that equal lows. Let's just wait a little bit more. If it takes out the lows here, these candles, then it could be dropping for the new low, especially when ES starts to dump. So we don't know. It's a little bit difficult to predict. But this level is holding now. I don't know for how long, but it's holding. Maybe not for long, but anyway. It's not clear yet. Let's see, just a second, just a quick phone call until news. All right, it's moving up a little bit, not too much. A little bit of a structure shift. Almost like a bullish breaker. It seems like to me, like it feels like it wants to go for the news candle high to me, but maybe I'm wrong. It could be turning down. It's still ahead of the news, the bigger news release. So I would say that just be careful. Hey there, Komodo. Welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome. Komodo, if you're new to the stream, don't forget to participate. We have a giveaway. It's in the pinned message up there. Make sure you fill it out, and next week we're going to do a 50K evaluation account giveaway. Welcome, welcome. Yes, Josef is saying there was a nice entry on the 32nd. Yeah. Igen, szerintem is vidd végig TradingView-val. So, but I mean, it was a nice one, good displacement, no retracement to the fair value gap yet. Yeah, 2 positions. This was a good long, still valid. Stops not taken. Gold trade paid off. Let me check the gold trade. Let me check what happened on gold. Oh, look at that. Congratulations on the gold. Let me subscribe. Yeah, you already, yeah, of course. Absolutely. You can subscribe to the channel. If the subscription window is not popping up, it's because your YouTube might be on private settings. But if you subscribed, I'm happy to welcome you on the channel. Also, I'm just saying this, today is the last day to grab your discounts. The best chance to get a MyFundedFutures account for $50. Any of the starter accounts. This is a super huge deal. Look at that. We're taking out the news scandal. Wow, what a move. Should be sweeping the 88s too. Going up there. Look at this. We're going to the London and the Asia high. Yeah, it most likely that's the case. Let me go back to Nasdaq. Yeah. Seems like we're going back to those highs. 88 is the next target. Almost there. And London highs here. Actually, I would not be surprised if we would go up to 910. 910 from here. ES might want to push up to 51.45. So that means it should be pulling the Nasdaq with it. So, you know, be careful. Hit the top of the channel. Oh yeah, look at that. Short. Yeah, you could be. If this is going to stay in this channel, then this is kind of the turtle soup entry. Almost actually, but not really. So you go to the top of the specific channel and you just take an aggressive short, and now it's just paying off nicely. That's also a strategy. I am definitely just going to wait a little bit. News in 13 minutes. Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah. There is a good entry there. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yes. I see. I'm just trying to measure how far can this drop, and what is ES doing. Oh wow, look at this. ES repricing some levels below, went into the 3-minute gap, almost completely repriced everything. Now it feels pretty much bullish, the whole thing, to me. It might be wrong, but it feels bullish. Yes, exactly. Come on. All right, let's see. So yes, we have a gap here. The only question is, this is going to throw it back up there to relative equal highs. Again, I think it seems bullish. I just don't know how far can it go. News in 10 minutes, yes. We definitely have to wait for that. You're right, Greg. Sell maybe. Well, we don't know yet. I guess the whole market is just waiting. It's better to stay on the sidelines on these occasions. I told you guys we're not going to have a clean direction until after 10 a.m. and maybe not even in the AM session. Maybe we have to wait all the way until the PM session, or at least lunch hour. Pretty much in a channel. ES failed to make a new high. That doesn't mean it won't. And this one failed to break this high, which again, it doesn't mean it won't. On the 5-minute, it's very crazy, a little bit weird, to be honest. Relative equal lows down here. Huh. Yeah. That's why, because I don't see any direction, I'm just gonna wait. Yeah, maybe. Looks like a bullish flag a little bit. But I'm more bullish now than bearish, but if it breaks this low, of course, the 42, then it will go lower. And I would also like to see the midnight level to be tapped again, the 910 area. But I'm gonna wait for the confirmation. There's a buy at 712, 1 minute. 712. I don't know. I don't think that this is a buy area. If you look at the 15-minute chart, you see that there's a beautiful 1 hour / 15-minute fair value gap down here. So relative equal lows. Actually, if you look at the higher time frame, this one can really go down. Like really. Like boom. Are those levels close, high, low form an indicator, or do you draw those? I draw these levels. If you mean this one, the previous day low, I draw this myself. The daily level, I draw this myself, and the previous day high. This is relative equal high. Everything is drawn by me, except for the moving average and the VWAP. I like to draw the charts all in, long all in, you know. Now we're gonna have to wait for the news, guys. No problem. Almost at news. Look at this. It's going up again. It's going up again. Let's see if it breaks through those highs. Don't forget it, guys. We have a giveaway, so make sure to sign up because we do this every week. You can participate. The link is up there in the pinned messages. 50K evaluation account. You can win it. I can tell you there's only 3 people signed up right now. 3 people. So the chances are super high that you're gonna win. All right. 59 right now. All right. I mean, it's 9:59, so less than 1 minute. Így van. Ennyi. All right. Oh, it's a brand new form, so still have time to sign up. All right, news coming in. 15 seconds. And after that, we should be seeing some direction. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Seems like it wants to go higher. Who knows? Is it pushing or not? Not yet. Feels like it might want to break it. It's very close. Okay. Relative equal lows at 24.75. 25 actually. We're stuck here, guys. What is ES doing? ES is stuck as well. Now it looks like it might want to go higher, but come on. Looks like a possible long. Do I have any orders? I don't. All right. The dog is barking outside my neighbor, so that means it's bullish. Yeah, it's bullish. I'm definitely gonna wait. All right, we took out the high. So let's see if this is gonna be a reversal or a continuation. ES failed to make a new high, which means if ES starts to go lower, we might see a potential reversal to the downside. Dogs are great traders, yeah. Welcome, Enrollable. Just be careful. May form a double top up there. Yeah, could be. And almost equal highs again with this top. So, but it swept some liquidity. That's true. Question remains if ES wants to take the highs or not. Okay, seems like we could be seeing a potential reversal. I'm not gonna enter on this one. I want to see this candle closing. Let's see if we have a gap. No gap, but it's repriced it immediately, so that could mean something. Relative equal lows at 25. On the 1 minute, there's still a small gap and the structure shift maybe after this candle, so who knows. I do like the swing at 842 and down there. Yeah, I don't like this. I don't like this so far. Seems like ES wants to go higher. And it might going to push NQ as well. What a move. Wants to break that 95 maybe. I don't have an entry. Maybe it wants to go higher and break those highs again. Which is 94.75. Could that be the target? What is ES doing? If this one turns around to the downside, then anything can happen. But I don't like this. We're stuck here in this range. If we go to the 15-minute, no, NQ 15-minute. There's a lot of good targets down here, relative equal lows as well. So we might see a drop. Yeah, CL. What is CL doing? Oh wow, look at that. That's dropping like crazy. I was waiting patiently for Nasdaq to show something, but crude oil is just dropping like enormously here. I don't see anything on this. I mean, it looks like it's getting weaker. If this one breaks 56, it should be going down to 42. But there's nothing down there, so then it has to go down all the way. All the way. This is not a clean shift yet. Maybe the 1 minute candle. Yeah. Maybe that's gonna shift. This is technically just repricing now. But it took out this one nicely. It did shift the structure on the 1 minute, and we have a small 1 minute fair value gap right here. Right at the weave up. Well, it's oh no, look at that. It's going up again. ES is repricing the same gap. So could be the continuation to the downside. Let's just wait. Nothing special. Absolutely nothing special. All right. Let's wait if this one is gonna break the highs again. Let me just close the door for a second. Are we going to move sideways from here? Yeah, I mean, it's in the cards, unfortunately. Unfortunately, it is in the cards. Yeah, very strong resistance, I agree. Yeah, it's very difficult. It's very difficult to go higher. Actually, it might going to let it go if you, I mean, look at the 5 minute. Oh my god, the 5 minute looks terrible. These candles facing against each other, total indecision in the market, just saying. Are you in a long or no? No, I'm not in anything. I'm not doing anything. I'm flat right now. I had a little bit of a scalp on my funded account. The balance you see here, this is the one of the funded accounts, so it's not much, only up like $74. Otherwise, otherwise nothing extra. I have also an evaluation account. I need I need $19 to pass. $19 to pass that evaluation account. Look at that. Nasdaq is unplugged again. This is typically the day, I mean, come on. I wish I knew what to do here, guys. I wish. This is totally unpredictable. Totally unpredictable. we are at nowhere on this price action. Okay, we see a push now. Oh my god, look at ES. That's very bad, guys. It's very, very, very bad. Look at the 5 minute. Absolutely, absolutely nothing. This is typically the market that you don't want to touch. All right, just waiting, still waiting. Nothing is moving. Maybe the big players are waiting to use their money. Maybe. We don't know that. Look at it. The 30-second is breaking lower. Made a new low. We still have the 25s down there. Not sure if those are going to be broken. I don't know. You're not in position, or we're already in a chop. It's not even launched yet. Yes, because the smart money is not on the market. Yeah, you made 240 today. Nice. No direction to open. Nice. Congratulations, 240, as that's a good profit for the day. Oh my god, this looks terrible. Maybe the PM session would hold something more. Well, we don't know that. ES still undecisive. I do like the 25s down there. I'm still looking at this area. That area is something I'm interested in. But I don't know if we are gonna get down there or not. I don't know. If it wants to go into that congestion zone, it can. But they have to push it through. Oh, I don't know. Kind of weird. I don't know what is ES doing right now. Hey, I just passed an evaluation account. Look at that. Oh, you guys don't see it. Where is it? It's this one. Yeah, I needed $90 to pass it. It's only a 25K account. But at least I passed it. Thank you. I was only scalping it with micro. But otherwise on the funded account, I'm not doing anything. Oh man, we don't know what the direction is right now. Support levels on NQ, well, if we're talking about support and resistance, I'd say we are right now around support. I mean, I'm not trading support and resistance, but look at this area. Price got here, traded through it, then here, here. I would say that this is a good support area. So yes, I agree that it is a support area. We can call this support. I have no issue with support and resistance, so no problem with that. Support area right here. So if it goes through, then the next target should be, oh my god, this is ES. This is ES. I was looking ES the whole time. All right, I'm getting tired. Sorry. I was looking ES, but the same goes for NQ here. Went up there, down there. Pretty much this is a support area, the same. So there. We need to go through and then we go down to 810. But this is a support area for sure. Ah, guys. I don't know. I don't know. Where can we go from here? Nothing is moving. Yeah, I would like to have more downside too. Oh man. Okay. You were long. You're out. Nice, nice. Upside bit maybe. You closed well. $70 is a good profit. Oh guys, this is just going so slow. Like watching paint dry. Now look at that. We finally have something here. I just don't know where can it go from here. Okay, having a movement right now. What I missed early closing. Don't be sorry about it, because you never know if these things can go higher or not. Currently, as much as I can see, the 15-minute is totally a bar chart. A lot of resistance up there in this area, and ES, I'm not sure what ES is doing anymore. Feels like that ES may want to revisit the 5-minute bearish order block at 41. If that's the case, then you know, this one could be going higher, but I'm just not sure if I want to jump in. I don't know. I don't know if this one is going to be a push higher or just going sideways. Bottom one. And, yeah, exactly. Jump in all sides. Hard scalping. Hey, Kid Nash. Hey there. Man, totally forgot. I have to write it down. The email. Man, writing it down. Kid Nash email. Should have done it. I'm so stupid. Gonna send it to you. I'm watching closely right now this move, if this one is going to be a hard push to the upside or not. I'm just curious. Okay, so this is a push. Seems like it. Sideways market talk. Yeah, that's what we can do right now. Nothing extra. There was a possible entry. I was thinking to jump in or not. Oh, sorry. Pushed the wrong button. It was here. Right there. But I didn't take it. As a continuation. The problem is we have so many congestion up there, and it needs a lot of pressure to go through these levels. And on the other hand, on the downside, we have some beautiful targets still. I was a little bit scared to jump in, especially on the funded account, but anyway. So grab your discounted accounts. Today is the last day to grab it from MyFundedFutures. Also, we're still having a giveaway, a new one. This is a new giveaway in the link, so go check it out. It's pinned up there in the chat. That we had a winner this morning on the London session, so we picked the winner. This one is a brand new giveaway for the next 50K evaluation account. Make sure to fill it out. If you filled out the previous one, this is a new giveaway, so if you want to participate, you can fill it out again. And we're gonna do the giveaway next week, so you have plenty of time. This same application is gonna stay here, but it's restarted as a new giveaway. Just saying. I'm gonna be from whichever company you choose, most likely in the range of $50 or $70 dollars, which is going to be most likely TOPSTEP, Apex, or maybe MyFundedFutures, or we can do 2 BULENOX accounts. Depends on the new month sales as well. It's going to be a cash prize, by the way, just saying. So the winner is going to get an email from me and from the system as well. And you don't have to buy evaluation account on it. You can buy whatever you want. It's going to be a cash prize in the value around $50 to $70. Just looked outside my back door. We've got 2 inches of snow. Really? Oh my god. Little fish, come on. That's, I mean, for me to imagine that, like here we have a beautiful weather, the sun is shining, everything great, and you have snow. Wow. Yeah, it's a good thing you can work from home. So anyway, it's gonna be a cash prize, but I'm not gonna do crypto. I can do PayPal, I can do debit card transfer, and I can do international bank wire transfer. You can spend the money whatever you want, but it should be enough for a 50K evaluation account. So that's going to be the range. All right, that's it. Oh, you're from South Africa. Apex doesn't do in your country. Other companies do. There you go. There you go. So you can select other companies if you want to. Vancouver raining. Wow. That's springtime in Alberta. Wow. Moody Mother Nature. Yeah, maybe a bit of cluster B personality traits. Yeah, this was a nice long position from here. I was a chicken to enter, but as you can see, it went back down. From 59, it went all the way. It went a nice 18, 19 points. Almost 20. So if you wanted to secure, for example, from 60 to 40, it was good for a 1-to-1 for 17 to 18 points on this move. But I was scared. I was a chicken. I don't mind. It's all right. I take it. I don't mind. So last day for the BULENOX 90% sale. I don't know when they're gonna do a next one. Last day to get a account for $50, even 150K account from MyFundedFutures. All right, it's breaking now. This is actually a break. All right, look at that. Now we see something. Now we see something. Let me check. Where can it go? This one can go down to take out the 18 finally. What is ES doing? We don't know. Can this one go lower? Maybe. But first I want to see a cleaner move. It looks like it wants to fall. Seems like we could go down to 27. Maybe. As a low-hanging fruit, there's a very small, tiny fair value gap there to be taken. Nothing is moving, guys. I think it stopped here. Could this be another support area? I mean, it could. But now, then we should be seeing a potential reversal, maybe. And maybe to see what ES does on this level. It bounced back from this support. So if ES tries once more to go down, YM is looking coyote ugly. It's hard to say what to do with this right now. Okay, so we went into that 27 that we were talking about. Is that the idiom in Hungarian? I'm not sure. I'm not sure what you're referring to. Coyote ugly, I mean, is that an idiom you are familiar? No, no, I'm not. I'm not familiar. I'm sorry. I know I seem like stupid right now, but I'm not familiar with that. Okay. Let's go. It's a difference in language. Okay. Hey McLovin. Well, the day so far is good. I passed an evaluation account, but I only needed $90 on this Apex. You see it right here. Also, there is a BULENOX account here. I made, this is funded. I made $94 only because it was a slow day. Otherwise, nothing really. No other trades on this. But at least I passed this account. I'm just waiting. So Coyote ugly refers to a date we wake up next to who is ugly enough that you'd rather chew your own arm off like a coyote in a trap than wake them up. Oh my god. The YM looks that way. Oh my god. And now I know. You know there was a movie a long time ago that's called Coyote Ugly. I saw that. It was like in a bar. And it was about girls dancing on the bar, but it was the name of the bar, so that's why I didn't know what it means. Thank you, McLaren. Guys, I don't know what the hell is this doing right now. This area, I just wanted to say that if you guys entered to a short, there was a slight, very, very tiny little gap here to take a short right there. I didn't take it, and you could target the 18 for a scalp. You could have entered around 33 and go for the 18. And I missed this trade. It's gonna take out that low. There you go. So this was the low-hanging fruit. Didn't take it out. Interesting, but should be. That is interesting. Pa, 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 pa. By the way, guys, tomorrow there will be no New York stream on my end, only London stream, just saying, because we have a family gathering. My father is having a birthday and we're going out for a dinner. So tomorrow only London session in the morning, no New York session in the afternoon. All right. What account size did you pass today? I passed this 25K account. It's right here. Oh, thank you. I just needed $90, so believe it or not, the last trade, I mean, the trade before the last trade, I was 20 cents closer, so I was at 499.80 cents. I needed 20 more cents to pass the account. Then it went to draw down like $20, but eventually it turned it around and went into profit. Hungarian add-on, which is roughly equivalent, because that scenario definitely happens. Yeah, I know what you mean there, little fish. It's kind of, I know what you mean there. There is. So if you guys just jumping into the stream, make sure if you want to subscribe to a giveaway. I just started a brand new one. So brand new giveaway. The link is up there in the pinned messages. The previous one we had the winner in the London session. This one we're gonna pick a winner next week, so you have plenty of time. It's a 50K giveaway, 50K account giveaway. All right. Yes, we had some. Joseph is saying we had some very good opportunities since the open. I think you're referring to the 30-second chart. We had actually. Look at this. There was a long entry, 17 points at least, or 15. If you went with a 1-to-1 ratio. Here, another at least 14 points or 15 points here. And this is only on the 30-second chart. There was the other one. This could have been also a good one for 56 for 15 points. You know, enter here at 57 and go to 43. So I'm gonna mark it as well right here. All right. All right. Yeah, so this was a short opportunity here. Can I do so short right there? Oh, come on. Can I change the size of this? I can't. Anyway, there was a short. There was a nice long. And here there was another short opportunity. And what else? Maybe here, but this was riskier. Even if you just went with 1-to-1 risk to reward. So I'm not talking about 2-to-1 or 5R or whatever. The market open was here. So yeah, at least 1, 2, 3 opportunities on the 30-second chart with 1-to-1 risk to reward. So those were good. Oh, here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I see. Okay, actually, there's one more opportunity here. I totally forgot. There was one here as well. A long opportunity here. Oh, come on. So short, long, quite a few opportunities. Oh, wow, look at this drop. Now we're taking out the low, and I think ES should be, yeah, ES is going for the lows. There you go. So finally we made the drop, and now we want to see where it can go. It took out previous day low now, guys. So in this mess, there was at least 1, 2, 3, 4 opportunities on the 30-second chart. Nearly 1K up on the day with target. Nice. Oh, wow, on the 50K combine. What's the moving average on your chart? The moving average is a 21 and the 9. So, where is the settings? Here it is. One is the 20. Can you see it? Yes, you should be. So one is the 21 and the other is the 9 EMA. The stochastic momentum index doesn't really matter. I don't really use it. I just watch it. Something. It could be an RSI too. I don't care really much about this. I think, guys, the move for the AM session is done. Why do I say that? Because we reached previous day low. We can go lower here, but the AM session is pretty much done, guys. I think it's done. Look at this. Repriced almost the whole area. It could be turning around and try to go once more to the upside, but the AM session is pretty much done. Time to buy now, maybe. The same goes for NQ, because I was looking the ES again. It's done, guys. The move is done. AM move is done. Now comes consolidation, lunch hour, and maybe we will see something. Oh, thank you, Laura. Thank you. I'm gonna say happy birthday to my dad in the name of everyone. So, yeah. By the way, if you want to pass or YOLO an evaluation account with Apex, you can still do it in 1 day today. This is the last day for the 1-day pass. So make sure to not miss out the opportunity. And don't forget the giveaway again. And push the like button, guys. It supports the stream and the channel. If you can push the like, I would be forever grateful. It's pushing the stream higher. And again, let me tell you that I'm going to be here only on the London session tomorrow, all right? No New York tomorrow for me. I would like to be here, but family first, right? There's gonna be some, anyway, there's nothing gonna happen until after 10 a.m. anyways. So, and we're gonna have FOMC, so it might be better for me to stay out from tomorrow. The morning session is not gonna be, I mean, look at the many countries, post-Soviet countries and stuff like that. And I mean, not just Soviet countries, but anyway, we're gonna have a holiday in a lot of countries. I think the London volume is gonna drop like crazy. So maybe on Thursday we will pick up something. unemployment claims, and don't forget the good old non-farm payroll on Friday. That's when it's gonna be carnage. It's gonna be carnage. Not much to do. This drop, yes. And don't forget that we have a beautiful target. If you go to the 15-minute or to the 1 hour, there is this beautiful area down there. It's not so far, actually. It's 100 points. For Nasdaq, it's possible. And this one is a beautiful, beautiful target. So we could be dropping more. I'm not saying it's mandatory that we're going to change direction here. Almost the same happening on ES, as you see down here. So 5104 is the next sell side on ES. I'm going to put it there. 5104 is sell side liquidity. And so this one can definitely continue to drop. Can definitely continue to drop down all the way. Well, first of all, it has to break the 700s. So, for example, now on the 1 minute, there is a clean short entry. But the problem with this is that we're so much down. We're in deep discount on the daily. So we can expect a bounce anytime. But the 15-minute looks just beautiful. It looks really great. Tom, may I know, is there any duration restriction? When do we scalp in, my friend? No restrictions. You can do whatever you want on the evaluation account, Prasad. On the evaluation account, you can do whatever you want. On the funded account, you have to hold trades for at least 5 seconds. And on Nasdaq, you have to go at least for 5 points. It's a little bit gray area. But so far, that's what TradeSage and the other mods were saying on Discord, that please go for at least 5 points on the funded account and on Nasdaq. On ES, maybe 2 points or 1 point. I don't know. It's in ticks. It was in ticks, but it was around 20 ticks on Nasdaq. So about 5 points. 4 maybe okay, but try to go for at least 5 and hold the position for more than sorry, it was not 5, maybe 8 seconds, 6 or 8 seconds. So eventually the thing is that please do not enter into a trade for 2 seconds. They were posting examples as well for 2 seconds with 5 minis. That's it, right? So on the funded account. So try to hold trades. It's not a problem for me because even if I scalp, I try to hold it for more than 10 seconds or even more, 15 seconds, even on my shortest entries. And I always go for more than 5 points, at least on Nasdaq. That's the minimum. So good morning, Mary. Yeah, you missed it, but it can still continue to go down. It's repricing now a little bit, so we might continue to go to this area, which is a beautiful 1 hour / 15 minute fair value gap. No problem, Prasad, no problem. Let's go. Oh yeah, I passed it. Yeah. Yeah, I made the $90 that was needed. And I also made like $94 on my BULENOX funded account. Yeah. I was actually just going with 1 micro, actually 2 micros at a time. So it was like just super small baby steps today. I wasn't really sure what to do in this area. If we stay in the trade for more than a few minutes and close with 2 or 3 positions, I mean it's a good day, Mary, but I hope it's a good day for everyone else. I hope you did some good profits too. If we stay in the trade for more than few minutes and close with 2 or 3 points, is it considered violation? No, it's not. No, it's not, because if the price moves away at least 5 points, or even if it hovers for a few minutes at the same area, it's not considered a rule break. Okay, so it's fine. It has to be both of the things to happen. So go for less than 5 points and less than 5 or 6 seconds. So they have to, so both of the rules have to apply. I understand the question now. So no problem if you close it after 2 or 3 minutes. You're welcome, Prasad. So no issue with that. Absolutely no issue. So guys, grab your accounts. Today is the last day. Just saying. Starter accounts for $50, any size. Also, Apex. Oh, by the way, I said something wrong. Apex, if you buy the Apex account today, you can still pass it until the end of the New York session. So the 1 day pass is good for today, yes. If you want to YOLO some of those. At BULENOX, there is a 5-day minimum for trading. Just keep that in mind. From tomorrow, these sales are not working. and TOPSTEP still gives you an additional 20%. Yeah, guys, so I think this was the move. Well, that's it. All right, guys. I think that's it for me. I don't think there's anything else to do until lunch hour, and that's it. I'm gonna be coming back in the London session, everyone. So make sure to grab your discounts if you would like to support the stream. Use my codes and links, and I think that's it for me today. Thanks again for watching. I'll be back for tomorrow London session. Make sure to subscribe to the giveaway. It's brand new. So have a great evening, morning, night, and see you guys tomorrow in... Why is it not working? In the in the London session. Sorry, my computer was freezing and me too. All right, anyway, have a good one, guys, and see you tomorrow. Cheers, everyone.